What's up, E-Crew? Welcome back to this channel. On today's vlog, we're here on Hacienda Heights Community Center doing our favorite ride on this Monday, Valentine's Day afternoon. Beautiful, warm weather. And I believe there's about 6 of us here. There's like some 3 bulls, expensive e-bikes, and there's like 3 of us with a bafang Luna middrive, and we're just getting warmed up. I don't like this. This is exactly why I don't like posting on Facebook, because no matter how many rules you put, I literally put electric mountain bikers only. People will come with whatever they want to come with. Yeah, this is my favorite trail. I'm just here venting. Yeah, I'm just venting here. I don't, the least thing that I want is to tell people, hey, you can't join us, you know? But for a trail that I really like myself, like, yeah, I have to really take care of the rules. I have to abide by the rules and regulations. Yeah, I'm gonna get this ride started. All right, guys, I'm gonna get it started in about 2 minutes, but I just want to brief everyone. This is my favorite local trail, so please be very cautious and courteous of everyone. We're gonna play it cool. I always go on Monday, I never see anyone. We're gonna go uphill for about 10-15 minutes, and it's really just the exercising part. I go slow. I'm actually pedaling going uphill, but this is only the restroom stop if you guys need it. Cool? I'm Julian. This is Crystal. All right. Briefing everyone. Let's see how good today goes. I think this is exactly why I had a meetup group ride, so I can limit the group. Hopefully we don't get in trouble with a Surron here. I had my Surron. Obviously I sold it because I don't want to be that guy, you know? I don't want to be that guy that ruins it for everyone. But I did have a disclaimer. I did say must have pedal assist, and I did say electric mountain bikes only. But it is what it is. Here we go. All right. 8 of us. 8 electric mountain bikes and 1 electric dirt bike, which is the Surron. Time for some fun off-roading. I'm gonna be sliding out today. For a big group, 8 of us, we're actually making good time. Everyone wants to just shred. Yeah, we're braking here. It's like you knew. This group likes to go fast. Yeah. So Austin. Yeah. There's a drop right here. It's a little bit harder. Okay. If you want, or the easy riders are here. All right. I'll follow Crystal. Let's roll. You. Let the fun begin. This part is all about watching the scenes, guys. I mean, like, I guess some people just like to shred too, but I like to look at the scenes, enjoy the views and stuff like that. Yeah, these guys are full senders. Alright, keep going. Alright, I'm gonna keep going. People don't like stopping on this ride. They just want to keep sending it. If they want to go off base, if they want to explore their own, then I'm not gonna stop them. I'm doing my own ride. Yeah, I'll be in the back.
No, I can do it.
Oh, I want to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you. All right, so the group kind of split, which is actually I'm A-okay with. 4 of us are here with mid-drives, and the other guys wanted to send it harder, and they wanted to just explore. I like me smaller groups, to be honest. You can actually learn more about people. Just the leisure riding here now. They just found some gnarlier trails that they'd like. I'm more for the adventure. But yes, I do like jumps, but I don't like to send it so hard to where it's dangerous, at least for my skill level. And of course I have to account for my wife's skill level too. Ooh, coyote, 12 o'clock. Just behind the bushes. I was wondering why Crystal was honking. Time to get out of this single track and get up some hill. Time to go back up for some views. No sign of the other group, but I'm sure they're having fun wherever they are. Because there's lots of forks in Turnbull, lots of things to see and do for all kind of skill levels. Yeah, this is a nice single track. You should do it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And it just loops back up to the tower.
Okay.
Have fun. Time to climb up. We're basically the slower group between those riders. This is why some of my friends think mountain biking is dangerous. It's not dangerous, guys. It's up to how you're riding. Some people like to full send it like them. Some people like to ride within your own skill level, like me, like myself. I would never push someone to go out of their skill level. And if anything, I want them to progress. It's only dangerous if you do dangerous things. It's kind of like driving. Go for it. I don't know why a lot of people think electric mountain biking is dangerous. They're like scared of it, you know? It's because they've been watching too much Red Bull stuff with the high adrenaline. Yeah, turn off your motor if you need, because we don't need it. But it's up to you.
I'll keep it on one.
Yep. All right, here we go. Going downhill. Some fun switchbacks. And then some jumps, freeway jumps. Oh, really bumpy today. All right, Ed's coming along, that's good. Still just the 4 of us. The other group is doing their own thing, which is A-okay with me. You're still doing that?
Yeah.
Just make sure everyone's coming along. You're gonna kill me. You're gonna kill me. You still riding with Granny? Crystal always stops where the momentum should not stop. She's gonna be the death of me one day. Beep, beep. Fast riders coming through. Everyone's coming through. Beep, beep. Jump that. So this is a good time to check your equipment, because there's going to be like 9 rollers or jumps. Feel free to take them. It's fun. But we typically go like 3 times back and forth.
Okay.
They call this like the freeway jumps. Have fun here, Ed.
All right.
We're gonna meet downhill. Again, about 9 consecutive rollers or jumps. They're kind of like this. They're spaced out and nice.
About a mile.
Here we go. Yep, first jump. Let's roll. Let's get some air. Oh, bunny. You. Woohoo. Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Super senders. Whew. Here's a good ramp. Yeah, buddy. Yep. Woohoo! Uh-oh. Here's another one. Yes, sir. So fun jumping. Ah. You. You'll see my bike.
Head on down further?
Yeah, what the bike is, yeah.
Okay.
Jump that. Woo! You jumped it. Wow. Happy for you. I definitely heard the Crystal's landing, so it didn't look like she got a lot of air, but at least she got air. I heard the landing, which means she did get air, and she did get some jump there. Let's watch for Tom. Yeah! Sweet.
It's like for regular pedals.
Got it.
The edge of the back of the
Is that fun?
Yep, fun. That was excellent.
Teaching
Oh,
Yeah.
This trail, yeah.
How do you sit on your seat when you're going
Going over
the...
getting ready to get a little air.
Oh, a little. You don't. Yeah, you don't.
Just kind of squat on your
Yeah.
back, kind of. Just squat.
Yes,
under
the scouting position.
Yeah.
And then if you really want air, you lift, and then you pull. Yeah, if you want.
In time,
Yeah.
it'll just come natural to you.
Yeah.
And
We typically do this till our battery runs out. No, it's not. I'm just kidding. But we are gonna do it like
Yeah.
3. If you're down, 2 more times.
Oh, I'm down for that.
All right. All right. So Crystal, we're gonna go back up. Yeah. What about you, Ed? Did you get any air in that?
One only.
Yeah. There you go. You'll get more.
Yeah, take that.
All righty. There you go. Jump that. Second time. Let's get it. You. Yes, sir. Nice work, Tom. So fun. Tail whip? Should I tail whip? Oh, no way. Too scary. This one, let's try to tail whip. No. This one, tail whip. Ah, kinda. It feels weird. You.
I break too. I break before you. I got to make sure I'm speed in. But I try not to break too late.
Yeah, of course. But you did okay? You got some air?
Yeah, I'm doing good
Yeah.
enough, I think.
You got a lot of air. I saw you. How about you?
Try to keep your butt behind
jump.
Strong jump. Show me how.
It's always all up.
You want a really low seat when you're jumping.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's out of your way. This one is too high.
Because when you do lift it up, it'll hit you in the bottom, and that's probably what make you
Be over that way.
right. Yeah.
Handlebars, yeah.
Make it count. All right. Yes, sir. All right, this is the 3rd time. I'm gonna stop somewhere where there's a good jump, and then I'm gonna record some folks. Phew! Yes, sir. Oh, that was pretty good. But this one's a good one. Yo. Woohoo! Thank you. All right, fourth time around here for today. Let's go. Phew. Let's have fun. Crystal already went ahead. Yes, sir. You. Yes, sir. Oh, that was high. Ah, I didn't send it. Here we go, here we go. Woohoo! Yes, sir. Yeah, buddy. How was that, Ed?
I cleared half an inch.
There you go. Good job, Tom.
Oh yeah, dude. Awesome. Good job, man. How'd you guys?
Job, man.
That's good.
I think it's really more technique than the speed. The speed will get you like further that way, but the technique gets you higher. Honestly, when I see a ramp, I'm slowing into it, and then when I'm comfortable at the speed I'm going, then I go technique. Yeah. Because Martin just flies. Like he doesn't slow down.
When you're going,
Uphill time. Turnbull Tower. Let's get it. Never seen the other group, but this is like the funnest part. I don't know why. Maybe they already had spent maybe 20 minutes on it and went home, I think. I don't know. They weren't really much for sightseeing the way we are. All right. Got on up Turnbull Tower. Oh. And we're gonna break about 10 minutes here. Here we go, downhill on a 26er. You. That's a steep hill. All right, let's get the drop out here. Yeah. I think right here. You. Alrighty. Today turned out pretty cool, you know, manageable. There's only 4 of us here in this small group. The other guys, we never crossed paths again. It was just that one time. But they were much advanced riders and they really just wanted to shred and go fast. I don't know why people think mountain biking is dangerous. It's really like your skill level, you know? You can go as slow as I do, and I still deem it very safe. I don't really go over my comfort level, just a little bit on the jumps to progress a little bit. Anyhow, thank you for tuning in on today's vlog. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on a Super73, an arielrider, or a DIY bafang kit, so you can go out and shred on some gnarly trails. Tom is so fast, he's gone. Holy smokes. See you guys in the next adventure. This is Julian signing out. Peace.